Today's video covers a general overview of the eBulletin site, how to create your account, how to download your payslip, taxpayer attestation, and your annual payslip. Number 1. General overview. In today's fast-paced digital age, staying informed and connected is more crucial than ever. The eBulletin, an innovative digital platform, is designed to meet the evolving needs of Cameroon state employees, providing them with timely, relevant, and comprehensive information to enhance their professional lives and streamline their daily tasks. The eBulletin is a state-of-the-art digital newsletter tailored specifically for Cameroon state employees. This platform offers a centralized hub for essential updates, policy changes, training opportunities, and other vital information. Accessible via desktop and mobile devices, the eBulletin ensures that employees are always in the loop, no matter where they are. Number 1. Instant access to information. The eBulletin delivers real-time updates on government policies, departmental announcements, and important events. This immediate access ensures that employees are well informed and can respond promptly to new developments. 2. Enhanced communication. By providing a direct channel between government departments and employees, the eBulletin fosters transparency and efficient communication. This reduces misunderstandings and ensures that everyone is on the same page. 3. Professional development. The eBulletin regularly features information on training programs, workshops, and seminars. This empowers employees to enhance their skills, stay updated with industry trends, and advance their careers. 4. Resource efficiency. Traditional paper-based bulletins and memos are not only time-consuming, but also costly. The eBulletin eliminates the need for physical copies, significantly reducing administrative costs and environmental impact. 5. Personalized content. Employees can customize their eBulletin subscriptions to receive information that is most relevant to their role and interest. This personalization ensures that they only receive pertinent updates, making the information more valuable and actionable. 6. Increased engagement. Interactive features such as polls, feedback forms, and discussion forums within the eBulletin encourage active participation and engagement from employees. This collaborative environment fosters a sense of community and shared purposes. 7. Security and confidentiality. The eBulletin is designed with robust security measures to ensure that sensitive information is protected. Employees can trust that their personal and professional data is secure. Conclusion: the eBulletin is more than just a newsletter. It is a powerful tool for empowerment and growth. By leveraging this digital platform, Cameroon state employees can stay informed, enhance their skills, and contribute more effectively to their role. The eBulletin represents a significant step forward towards a more connected, efficient, and progressive public sector in Cameroon. Embrace the future of information dissemination with the eBulletin, your gateway to knowledge, growth, and professional excellence.
3, 2, 1.
First thing, you open your browser and enter the following address. That is it. The page will load. Now let's have a quick overview and see what we can do on this page. We see sign up for those who need to create a new account and log in for those who already have an account. We see the comment section where you can share your opinions, you can express your worries. We see the email address, and then when you come to this end, you see login, forgotten password, create accounts, and by the side you see help. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into creating our account. Number 2, how to create your account. At this point, you can click at the create account spot. There are two, one up and down, and you wait for the page to load. Here we are. Enter your matricule number. When you are done entering your matricule number, you enter a secured password. When you are done entering, you enter the password the second time. So you go ahead and choose one security question. Do well to choose a question that you remember the answer at any point when you are asked, especially when you forget your password. If you fail to give the correct answer when you are asked, know that there is no way you are going to be helped. So choose a question that you remember the answer anytime. Now you go on and enter your answer. After entering your answer, you go and enter your email address. So you see the need of you creating an email address. They will always use it to communicate with you. So when you are done entering your email address, you go on and you enter your phone number. You go on, you enter your date of birth, and then you enter your bank, the bank that you have been using. You enter your bank. Entering your bank, do not enter it manually. When you click there, a list of banks will appear. Choose the one that you use often. If your bank is not there, and then you are going to write to the ministry. At this point, you enter the text that you see on top of that box to prove that you are not a robot. So when you are done entering the text, you now click on the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, you click on sign up, and then your account will be created. Number 3 and the last. Now that your account is created, open the site as usual. You'll be led to this page. Now you enter your magical number and password. You click on login. It will lead to this page. Now remember, there are 3 types of documents you can generate from this spot. You can either generate your pay voucher, your annual pay slip, or your immatriculation. Choose the one you want. You enter the year, you choose the month, you choose the range. If it is for 1 month, you choose 1, 2 months, choose 2, 3 months, choose 3. If you are printing for 4 months, choose 4, and so on and so forth. You enter your magical number, and then you can either download or you display the document before you print or you download. Go on and repeat the process. If you need to download anything further, maybe your immatriculation or annual pay slip, just choose the one you want. You put your year. If it is for immatriculation, you put your year, and then you put your magical number as usual. You download or you print. You do same, and so on and so forth. Let's know what you think at the comment section, or visit the site in the address above.